Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a fantastic day. Obviously, another huge day in the markets. Um, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Apple reported, kind of brought things down a little bit so far. If you're in Square, congratulations. Obviously, Dev put out a good alert for there, so hope you guys took that. Um, so. Going into the charts, yesterday, based on the daily bias video, this candle yesterday closed above this one, so we would expect at least this high to be taken today. And obviously, we opened above it, yes, with Asia last night. Now, what I do see down here is a volume imbalance now. Nothing like we have to like go fill immediately. Just something to note for sometime whenever we get bearish again. So yesterday, we I mentioned we had this daily inverse now. We closed above it, and so that tells us we most likely should expect this high. But if you remember, we had this daily order block that we kind of closed below yesterday. We kind of closed right at it, and then I said if we displace above this, then it's no doubt we're going up to that 950 area, and you see it's exactly where we delivered to today. Um, what else? So yeah, I mean, I just want to see displacement over this. I don't like how we did not close. Obviously, we have there's only four minutes until close. I don't like how we did not close above this. We're still rejecting it and this high. I do want to go check out ES and see what ES is doing. So ES is going to close pretty much right at it. Not a very strong close over it, but nonetheless, it's still a very strong day for ES. Remember, I wanted to get over this high to get into this daily FEG today. We hit that at 43.04, and now we're pretty much we ran right to the top of it at a 43.30. So I want to see displacement over this to confirm that we have room up to like 43.65. Would be this high. Let's see if there's anything on the hourly. Not really. The thing that does catch my eye on NQ on the larger time frame is obviously the daily FEG here. But if you go to the 4-hour chart here, you see this is also worth noting. I mentioned earlier I wanted to see us close over this hourly FEG. It's kind of smaller here. And you see we did, so now we're back inside the inverse of it. So you want to see this inverse hourly hold overnight. If we hold this, I think we can push up to. We have these hourly equal highs right here on the hourly, and they're also 4-hour equal highs as well. And it might be like this could be like our sell curve and then our buy curve. Completes up here at 138. Maybe these are saved for NFP tomorrow. Maybe we get some kind of wick up and down, or I mean, we could absolutely have the opposite as well, where we wick down and then go back up and complete this and complete this this big buy model. You see, today we put in I guess overnight we ended up putting in this 4-hour OB told us price wanted to could you continue higher, and then today you see it was just OB order block, propulsion block, and then it just kept sending us higher and higher. So we're potentially putting in another order block here. If we close back over this, the body of this candle tonight, I think we just keep with. I think we stay bullish going into tonight. Could be very slow and choppy into the night, because we do have such big news tomorrow. I expect more volatility with NFP than I do FOMC. So take that for what it's worth. Also worth noting, I'm not going to backtrack. But the last two NFPs, we've had back-to-back trend days for NFP. I haven't looked back any further, but I do know NFP is very good for a possible trend day. So, but anyway, if you pay attention to your data lows and highs, if we take our data lows first, then we usually reverse to take the data highs, and then we continue higher and higher throughout the day. If we end up taking the data highs first, and then we take the data lows second. That's usually the way that we trend that day. Take that for what it's worth. That's just what I've seen in the couple months of back testing that I've done. So just keep an eye out for that tomorrow. Nothing to really go over on the charts today. Obviously, we're just straight up. I mean, there's not much to do. No alerts today. I just personally day before NFP, and we're just trending up. I mean, you seen the trend. It wasn't hard to say okay long. So I apologize if you were looking out for an alert. I just it was against my rules, especially I just wanted some kind of like 50% pullback or something to get into a long position. Just didn't get it today, but that's okay. You don't have to take a trade every single day to be a good trader. So, but yeah, worth noting. I don't see anything crazy here. This is a little interesting. I'm just trying to go over the chart, see what any kind of conditions we can look out for into tomorrow. Probably tomorrow morning video will be a little bit better. Maybe we'll have a little better outlook. I will wait for NFP to happen first at 8:30 Eastern, then I'll drop a video probably about a half hour later after we kind of see what kind of reaction and direction we are getting. So yeah. For our order block, we close over this. Look for 138.50. You want to see ES climb over that daily. On the weekly, we really don't have too much. We are in the middle of this weekly order block here on ES. Worth noting, we have not retested this order block since it was created. So we are at the CE of it now basically. So you want to see that power over that to possibly see higher. Because this whole uptrend could end up just being a weekly order block to send us back lower to the gap fill. So then you see the same thing on ES. We're tapping into this higher weekly order block sitting up here. So yeah, with that, I really don't have much, guys, going into tonight. Probably want to see, like with these two order blocks, you want to see these two order blocks hold, as well as this hourly FVG, and then if if they do, look for a pushback over 15,000, and then maybe a push to a 138 for NFP, we wick it, and then come back down. But just kind of rambling here. What I'm kind of seeing going into tomorrow, I really don't have much else to say. Just a huge trend day. Uh, and with that, I guess have a good evening, and we will see you guys in chat.